Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Ibrahim. Today I talk about how to get your YouTube ID or Facebook ID account link easily by smartphone. For what? Why do we want to get our social ID or YouTube ID link? Because we want to share with our friends. First I want to I want to get my YouTube account URL or link. For this you have to open YouTube apps and go to library. Here you see library icon, click on library, then go to channel icon and then click on your channel. Okay, now this is the interface of your YouTube ID, YouTube accounts. Now you can get this channel URL by clicking three dots. Click on three dots, then you find a link on share. Click on share and then click on copy link. Just click on copy link. I already copied it. Now go to notes to check it either it copy or not. I open, then take a new page and paste here the link and save. Now I want to prove either the link is my channel. Click on this link and you see previously I saw my channel interface. Now we know how to copy your Facebook ID link by mobile. For this you have to go to any Facebook apps, either it is light version or as usual version. This is the interface of Facebook. Here you find some home button, just click on this button. Okay, that means it is your page, it is your home page. So now go to three dots, click on three dots and scrolling down, come to here you see your profile link. Just click on copy and go to notes to check either it is copied or not. Okay, I go to note, create a new page and paste it that you copied previously and then save. Now you check either the link is your profile or not. Click on this link, it take you to your profile of Facebook. So this way you can copy your Facebook or YouTube link by this easy process. If you think this lesson is helpful, please subscribe it, and if you want to get my another lesson, hit the bell button to get new notification of my next content. Thank you so much for watching my channel.